Hello everyone, how are you all and welcome to the class. Okay, so let's start today's video. Okay, so we are continuing with the same chapter number 6, that is staffing. Okay, until now we have what we have learned about the recruitment. Okay, now the next topic in this chapter is which comes after recruitment, that is selection. Okay, after the recruitment, the next process in staffing, that is selection, to select the candidates who have applied for the particular job. Okay, so I want to ask you that is selection is easy for the organization, that in the process of recruitment so many applications have come. Okay, now can you think it is easy? Can selection will be easy for the organization? Maybe you will think that you will say, yes ma'am, selection is a simple process, that which is capable, means it is easy for the organization. They can select the best candidate of their own choice. Okay, but it is not like that. Selection is not easy as it looks, but it is not easy in that way. Okay, yes, because in that so many steps are there, so many processes are there. Then after, the organization will select the best candidate. Okay, let's see here. Okay, what selection says. Selection is the process of identifying and choosing the best person out of a number of prospective candidates for a job. Okay, once again I am reading this, that selection is the process of identifying and choosing the best person out of a number of prospective candidates for a job. Okay, so basically in selection, what they do in selection is a process in which they identify. See, in the process of recruitment, the applications have come, so many applications have come. Now it's the work of the organization that they have to identify. Okay, they will identify and they will choose the best person out of the prospective candidates who have applied for a particular job. Okay, suppose I will give you so many, see, if some job is there, you see, I will give you example of army. Okay, so many boys, young boys, what they do, okay, they fill their forms, okay, if they want to join army, right? So it is not like that in one shot they will be selected. No, selection is a process. So many steps are there. Okay, the candidates has to go through, they have to go through with so many steps are there in the process of selection, right? And these steps, after that, when they will clear these steps, then only they will select, then only the organization will select. Okay, I am giving you the example of army. See, so many boys, what they do, they are preparing of our school also, okay, from our school also, so many boys are preparing for, they want to join the army. Okay, so thousands of candidates have filled the form. Now, the first step, that is their physical test. Okay, so that is the first step, physical test. Then what will happen? The written test. Then there will be an interview, and after that the candidate will select by the whatever the organization you can say, okay, or army, right? They will select their best candidate. Okay, so I want to say that only one candidate is not applying. Thousands and thousands of candidates are applying for that particular job. Okay, similarly in organizations also thousands of applications will come. thousands of candidates will apply for a particular job. Okay, so selection is a series. There will be a series of steps. Okay, there is a series of steps. There is a series of selection. Okay, what are these series? That first they will write they will fill the application form. Then what they will do in series? What are these series? These series are some tests will be there, some interviews will be there. Okay, suppose 5,000. Okay, 5,000 candidates has applied for a particular job. So out of 5,000, in next round, all 5,000s will go? No, all 5,000s will not go in the next round, because in that also they will reject some candidates. The organization will reject some candidates. Out of 5, suppose they have selected 3,000. Okay, so these 3,000 will go to the next step. So like that, there is a series of steps are involved in the selection process. Okay, so like that these series will go, and at last they will select their best candidate for that particular job. Okay, so this is the concept of selection, how they do how they select their candidate. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you, that this is off job selection. Means right now they have not joined the duty. Okay, now one more point I want to tell you, that after the selection, means when they will they will join the duty, they will join the job, when they are on the job, we say on the job. Okay, then also the organization will judge them. Okay, then also the organization will select them, that who is capable in that particular job, in that particular place. Okay, so selection is a process, right? In that process, so many series are there. Series means so many steps are there, and that steps, who has to follow that step? The candidate, okay, will go through all these steps, and out of all thousands of candidates, the organization will select the best candidate for their vacant job. Okay, I hope you have understood this the concept of selection. Okay, yes, in the next video we will discuss some other things about this chapter. Okay, till then you please go through it, right? And thank you so much.